Now what we know is the person from 6 cigarette butts, he makes 1 new cigarette. Now simply from 6 butts he is going to make 1 new cigarette, but again from this 1 new cigarette, again from this 1 butt will be generated. Now he has got 36 butts. We divide by 6, he makes 6 cigarettes. But when he smokes these 6 cigarettes from 36 butts, 6 butts, 1 cigarette, he got 6 cigarettes. But from these 6 cigarettes, after smoking them, again he will have 6 butts. From these 6 cigarettes, again after smoking them, he will have 6 butts. So again 1 new cigarette will be formed. From this 1 new cigarette, again 1 butt will be formed. But that is not going to give us a new cigarette. So in all, from 36 butts, we are going to get 7 cigarettes. 6 cigarettes, after smoking them 6 butts, 1 more cigarette, so we get 7. That's the core logic of the question. Now we have got 221 butts. 6 butts, 1 cigarette, we divide by 6, 6 3s are 18, 6 6 are 36. We got 36 cigarettes and 5 butts. This divided by 6, we get here is 6 3s are 18. No need to write it, but for your own time's sake, 6 6 are 36. So these 36 cigarettes and these 5 butts. 5 butts. But after smoking these 36 cigarettes, they are going to give 36 butts and 5 butts. Simply, after smoking these 36 cigarettes, we get 36 butts and 5 butts remaining. So what we got now is 41 butts. 6 6 are 36, 6 cigarettes and 5 butts. Again after smoking these 6 cigarettes, we are going to get 6 butts and 5 butts remaining. We got 11 butts. So we get 1 new cigarette and 5 butts. This 1 cigarette will give 1 butt and 5 butts. So we got in all again 6 butts. Divided by 6, we will get 1 new cigarette. I repeat what all we did. Simple logic. When we smoke a cigarette, a butt will always be generated. 221 butts, 6 butts, 1 cigarette. So he gets 36 cigarettes and 5 butts left out. 36 cigarettes. By smoking these 36 cigarettes, new 36 butts from these 36, 5 these butts. So we get total these 41 butts, 36 and 5, 41. 6 butts, 1 cigarette. So we get here is 6 cigarettes and we get is 5 more butts. 6 cigarette ka 6 butts and 5 more, total 11 butts. Again 1 cigarette and 5 butts. 1 cigarette gives 1 butt and 5, total 6 cigarettes. 6 butts divided by 6, 1 cigarette. So total we got here is 44 total cigarettes will be formed. 36 and 6, 42, 41 and 40. Total 44 cigarettes will be formed. Total 44.